Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure LinkedIn headline using SEO keywords for tech jobs, full guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding the importance of your LinkedIn headline. Your headline is one of the first things potential employers will see. It should clearly convey your professional identity. Begin by outlining your professional status or current role. Identify the tech jobs you are interested in. Research relevant SEO keywords related to these roles. Consider tools like Google Keyword Planner or LinkedIn's search bar for insights. Create a list of these keywords that align with your skills and experience. Next, evaluate how to incorporate these keywords naturally into your headline. Your headline should reflect both your expertise and the jobs you're targeting. Aim for a character limit of around 220 characters for optimal readability. Start crafting your headline by combining your current job title with keywords. For example, if you're a software engineer, include terms like software engineer Java cloud computing. Add specific accomplishments. This could be frameworks you've worked with or specific technologies you've mastered. Ensure your headline remains clear and professional throughout. Consider using separators like pipes or dashes to improve readability. Once you've drafted your headline, review it for clarity and conciseness. Seek feedback from peers or mentors in the industry. Make any necessary adjustments based on their input. Finally, update your LinkedIn profile with your new headline. Monitor its effectiveness in attracting connections and job opportunities. Adjust the headline as needed based on industry trends and your evolving career. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.